Over the past decade, India's stature on the global stage has undergone a profound transformation. While the UPA government maintained a cautious and often reactive approach to foreign policy, it is under PM Modi's visionary leadership that India has emerged as a confident and decisive global leader. The UPA era was marked by missed opportunities and a lack of strategic momentum in advancing India's interests abroad. Diplomacy was often constrained, and India's voice in international forums remained subdued, limiting the country's ability to assert its rightful place in the world. In a stark contrast, PM Modi's tenure over the last 11 years has heralded a paradigm shift. His energetic and proactive diplomacy has revitalized India's foreign relations, expanding its global footprint with bold initiative and meaningful partnerships. PM Modi's powerful addresses at the United Nations General Assembly have showcased India's commitment to global peace, climate action and sustainable development, resonating deeply on the international stage. His historic visits to African nations such as Ghana, Namibia and Rwanda have underscored India's dedication to Global South cooperation, a dimension that was largely overlooked in previous administrations. Under PM Modi, India has cultivated robust ties with major powers including the United States, Japan and Russia, reflecting a clear strategic vision that strengthens India's geopolitical standing. India's enhanced relations with the Maldives further exemplify PM Modi's focus on securing regional stability and fostering mutually beneficial partnerships. The Modi government's approach has earned India some of the highest civilian honors from multiple nations, symbolizing global recognition, India's leadership and diplomatic prowess. PM Modi has been awarded 28 highest civilian awards from countries across the world, making him the most internationally decorated Indian leader in history. Where the UPA years were characterized by hesitancy and missed chances, the Modi era has been defined by clarity, confidence and purpose, re-establishing India as a confident global leader and a Vishwamitra on the world stage.